are aware of the code, but you're not aware how it's affecting you on a subconscious level. Another example is of supraliminal is like existentialism and epistemology. One idea is solipsism, where transfers in this, right? It's linear. It's not non-linear. No, we see that sort of stuff.
A prime example is when high functioning autism meets bipolar 1 manic episode.
Self-explanatory. So in art, you have a term they use called the composition. So the composition is basically a metaphor.
Sarcasm, condescension, and I was studying tonality, humor.
More about perseverance and diligence.
Okay. How?
The rhythm kind of unequivocates that. Doesn't augment the meaning. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. We can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.